Hi there guys, and guys, good evening to each every one of you. Shout out to each every one of you. Sorry guys, for a change. Love my motive. Video motive. May is over, but I'm still on the spirit of festivals of May. By the way guys, and guys, shout out to each every one of you. Thank you to each every one of you, okay? And special mention to my silent subscriber for treating me on a lunch this late afternoon. Late lunch actually. Thank you for the treat, my silent subscriber. I really appreciate. You surprised me. Even though it's some kind of a sequel. But from the bottom of my heart guys and gals, to my silent subscriber out there, thank you so much for the free lunch. And guys and gals, each every one of you, do you see there's a bee flying on my face? Don't bite me, bee. Okay, what else you gotta say? You know what? I couldn't think.